learn backward counting like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now listen to rhyme. 5 good friends.
5 good friends.
maths notebook. Now we learn, yes, we will learn backward counting. Write classwork, date, then heading. Speak and write. B-A-C-K back, W-A-R-D word, backward, C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, counting. Backward counting. Now write 5050. Speak and write. 5050 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41. Now skip one line, write 40 40, 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 5 35, 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, 3 1 31. Write neatly. Now 3 0 30, 2 9 29. Speak and write. 2 8 28, 2 7 27, 2 6 26, 2 5 25, 2 4 24, 2 3 23, 2 2 22, 2 1 21. Now 2 0 20, 1 9 19, 1 8 18, 1 7 17. Beta, hurry up, complete your work. 1 6 16, 1 5 15, 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12, 1 1 11. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Students, now we learn a rhyme 10 green bottles. Listen a rhyme.
10 green bottles.